Hello everybody and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video tutorial we are going to talk about the SafeArea. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for not losing other videos. So let's jump to the code and see how we can use the SafeArea and what is this. So as you can see on the emulator, we have an orange color at the status bar of our phone. In Android phones, we have the status bar here, and in iOS phones, we have the notch. So when we are not using the app bar, as you can see, I created this app to show you the SafeArea. It contains the list view builder. If you don't know about list view builder, you can visit our list view builder and the suggested link at the top. So as you can see, when I scroll these items inside my phone, you can see that in this area the scroll bar is going and crash with my status bar, so it doesn't look professional. So in this case we are going to use the SafeArea. So let's use the SafeArea and test it again. I'm going to wrap the scaffold with SafeArea widget by clicking this widget and SafeArea. And let's save it. And now as you can see that we have a dark status bar, and when we are scrolling our list, so the items are going behind the status bar. So this is the magic of SafeArea widget. SafeArea is the area which is below the status bar, from here at the top till the bottom of the screen, as you can see here. So guys, this is the SafeArea widget. In the previous lecture we work on SafeArea but not in detail, and I hope in this video you learned more about this SafeArea and use it on your project correctly. So guys, thank you for watching this video and see you guys on the next video.